What's up, Tron holder? What's going on this time, my friend? The Tron price will be increasing, but sometime, my friend, the price will dumps down, as you can see here, and the last one. So absolutely very badly faced down. But I am 100% sure to after this jump, absolutely they will take a very huge jump now. You know, my friends, the holder and the viewers, my friends, especially ask me to what we will need to do. The price is going down, so what we will need to do. So my friends, don't worry. It's a short phase. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will again starting pumping up and they will recover all the loss. They will give you a profit. So what you need, my friends, to do to they will give us a profit. Please holders, try to understand to if in upcoming time, my friends, they will go to the moon now. So it's a really good news, and I hope, my friends, Tron will make you a millionaire now. This is possible to in upcoming time, my friends, they will give you a profit, but sometime, my friend, all coins were very badly phased down. So therefore I think Tron is also. So I hope, my friends, this is just an only need one thing, my friends, and one thing I want to share you to the price will pumping up, but just an only they will need one thing, my friend, if a holder are starting investing. Otherwise, my friend, this is impossible to the price will pump up. So please holders, try to understand. See you next time, holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel.